KCTV Lon Rashapi da ka Frank Motors ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordar mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jompi
UMLA jong BJP uba AL hack ula ong bak sarkar kadai ban sai madannya kita ki high level ban ban tokit ru mano bayadan Bynta kata kin hon ki high level namar ba menta ki pat ba ki la shuya kren bai tang shapang kata ka high level ki bala shupun trailut ya baro ki jat kam haka jing ya kren ban ki lat pathai khubor haka khat saw tare go bana jelleo arajar arpoar uba AL hack ula ong baki pat ba ki dai ban ti bania mano kita ki high level ki baju don Bynta ban penyat ya baro ki jat kam hapo ka jela nadu ka khai doyong ka khai siam ka khai mau bat ki wei de ki jat kam.
There no high level. Everybody is talking about high level. All decision is taken by high level. So you find out high level what they are doing. So who is there in the high level you find out. So everybody in the street now talking about high level. You talk about the street vendor. You talk about the chaiwala, you talk about the bureaucrat, you talk about the government employees, you talk about everything they are talking, talk about the coal, the exporters, talk about the lime exporters, you talk about any exporter, they are talking about the high level. So why not ask the high level how the way they are implementing those schemes in the state of Meghalaya through the high level. You know this high level, it has been there from the beginning. You talk about the late B.B. Lingdo, Chief Minister, when there were so many happening in the state of Meghalaya. So we had taken decision in the high level. High level, we talk about all the Chief Ministers in the past also. We have the high level committee, high power committee. When we decide about the construction of the new assembly, it was taken by the high power committee, high level committee. So high level is there. But now we had about the high level here is a different maybe. But now we don't know. Till now we don't know exactly what is this high level where the decision is taken. Maybe the same high level or maybe as a different high level. It has to be found out. It has to be found out. High level is always there in the government. High power committee is always there in the government. High level committee is always there in the government. Okay. So I'm saying everybody is saying it is as per the directions of the high level. So high level, let's ask from the high level only regarding this. Me too, I'll not be able to tell you because I'm not in the high level committee. When the talk of the town about the high level, so people should know who is these people involved in that high level. I don't say that. I do not say this. I do not say this, but I said all the decision now is taken by the high level. So let's find out from a high level, maybe from our high level high power committee, who's taking that decision for all the implementation of the scheme, work, the day-to-day activities that is happening in the state of Meghalaya. See, I told you from the day one, that time also we have right from the beginning of the statehood, we have many former chief minister. The high level committee always there, the high power committee are always there, which is taking the decision for all the developmental work in the state of Meghalaya. So now also we can ask from the high level. Even our own people in the government also, they are telling there are so many illegal gate has been installed, even in the national highway, which is not allowed in national highway, to accept the central government or the national highway authority to install the gates. But how I saw many gates has been installed here. This is told by many people. All the political parties, not only the Congress. If you ask the BJP today, if you ask UDP today, you ask NPP today, you ask any political party, they will tell there's so many illegal gates been installed in the state of Meghalaya today. Anybody who are involved in the corruption will be affected. I'm not talking as a party, as individual also.